everyone. So today I'm going to do system test 1. So I don't have a big system because I've not got a fire panel, but on my old channel, Joseph C, I'd wanted a fire alarm system for a while, so I was doing videos with all my devices. And then I looked on YouTube how to wire up a Flashney sounder to a 9-volt battery, so it did a Roshni one, so I just followed that, and so that's the first step on what I did. Then after a while I got another battery connector with another battery. Then I decided I wanted to wire up I'd originally wanted to wire up a coil point, but my conventional KAC coil point didn't have its wiring block thing, whatever is in it. Then this shop near me opened up, and it did all sorts of fire equipment, ESP equipment. So I got a Flashney. No, not a Flashney. I got this ESP coil point. So then I got this one because it's got an LED, and I think it was quite cheap. And I've been wanting one of these for a while, like a coil point. So I'm going to customize. I'm probably going to put like a sticker on the element here. I'm going to personalise it because it's my only working coil point, and this is my only conventional sounder. So what I'll do is hold on. That's the thing. I need a new battery connector for here. It keeps coming loose. So if you have epilepsy, please click off the video because there's going to be some flashing, because when originally this ran off one 9-volt battery, it didn't flash, but now it's running off 2 with another device, it started to flash. So I wouldn't, if I hadn't had this coil point, but if you've got epilepsy, I advise clicking off the video if it's bad. So as you can see, I have the continuous tone. So how to reset it, you have to push the key up. Ow, it hurts because there's some dodgy, it sticks into your finger. So I put the coil point up and then push up with the key. Most people wouldn't normally do this, but I don't have like a board to do it on or anything to push up on, because that's it. I am looking for a Gent C3 at a reasonable price because I really want a Gent sounder on here. I'd like a Vigilon panel, but I probably won't get one of them because I'd not be able to work a panel. So I think I want to get a C3 to put on here, but I don't even know how to wire a C3. So I'll need to find a video on YouTube on how to wire a C3 because I have no idea how to wire a C3. So if you've got a video of it, can you show me in the comments, and then I'll go on your channel and check. But yeah, for now this is all I've got. So yeah.